did notice Skeletor back here is selling significantly faster than a lot of the other ones. And the lowest price right now is $18. So we're gonna be able to pretty much double our money here. We'll make $5 or $6 a unit on a $7 buy cost here. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those. How's it going, everybody? My name's Warner Fields with Fields of Profit. I'm a 6-figure Amazon seller and full-time student. And in this video, I'm going to keep it brief for you guys. This is from 2 to 3 weeks ago. I did some Walmart clearance toy sourcing, and this is some good content from that. You guys are going to want to stick around and see the good stuff I found. Real quick, I want to plug our free Amazon seller Discord. It's completely free. Go ahead and join with the link below if you want to network with a community of Amazon sellers. Let's jump into the video. I've got one more stop that I'm going to hit on this haul for today. This is the most out there. This one's about an hour from my house, actually. So I'm hoping that this one has been not picked over at all. You can see I've got this big old pile I'm working on back here. So if they have a whole ton, I'm not going to be able to fit it in my car. But let's go ahead and head in and see what we can find. Unfortunately, it looks like a lot of those super clearance ones. I got beat too on this. What's this up here? That's not the right thing. Yeah, like we had this $100 set for $20. That's crazy. So I was checking around here. We've got a little bit of clearance left down here. These aren't quite enough as far as discount goes. There are these pirate things, and then these alien ones that are 7 and 6. We're gonna make about $5 a unit on these, and we're gonna make $6 a unit on these. So there's a quick little profit here. There's one more back here. We got any more hiding back there? I don't think so. So right now we're looking at $50 in profit. Let's see if we can find some of this is on clearance. It looks like we've got some more Lego clearance down here that we're gonna check out. This one is interesting. This one, some of these are probably gonna be close but not quite profitable, but I'm gonna go ahead and scan a couple more and see what I can find. We got some of these things here. I've seen these for sale for $10 and they're not on secret clearance here, unfortunately. I noticed that Amazon is on these also, so these will only be break even or so. It looks like we've got some battle bundles or whatever this is, some Bakugan, so we could check here. Some of these bend and flex have been secret clearance. See if any of those are on clearance. This was supposed to be on clearance at a previous store. Maybe it's these that are actually on clearance, so we can check these. Let's see if we've got any more things over here on the Legos. So I noticed that these are $5, but these are the ones that Amazon is on. So we're not, unfortunately, able to sell that one. But yeah, it's looking like all the clearance Lego is already cleared out in here. People have like barcodes open, so it's looking like somebody beat me to this one, which is weird because this is the most rural one that I've been to. And I think I was maybe the first person to all those other ones. Because I was getting whole cartfuls like over and over and over again. But we'll keep scanning here, see if we can find anything. Looks like we've got a little bit more of these dots here. We've got some cactus ones. Looks like they're all cactus. Yeah, so there's quite a few here. It looks like these are about $2 profit each on 263 spend, so not a bad ROI. There's not a lot of profit per unit. I'm still probably gonna go ahead and pick them up. It looks like this actually is a pretty good deal here, so I'm gonna go ahead and scan this, as well as pick up these dots. These are only $151, and after fees on Amazon, I can make like $350-ish, so these will be a $2 profit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab all this and throw it in the cart. And then we'll keep scanning here. We'll check out that dots thing that I saw as well. Just because those more expensive units are nicer, because you make more profit per sale, right? So it's less work for more profit. But I'll get back to you and see if these are profitable. These ones right here. So it looks like Amazon is actually on this listing for $20. So after we pay fees and stuff on this would break even. So we're not gonna go ahead and pick this up. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and scan all these barcodes and see if anything got left behind as far as Lego clearance. But beyond that, we'll go ahead and check out a different. So this one right here is pretty interesting. It's bringing up 671 on clearance. There's a whole bunch of them. It looks like Amazon kind of goes in and out of stock on them. Amazon sells them for $15, so after fees you'd only be making $3 profit per unit, maybe even $2. But Amazon goes in and out of stock, and when they go out of stock it sells for $25, which leaves you with a pretty big profit. I think it's like a $10 to $11 profit after fees and everything. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up several of these to go ahead and try out, see if I can sell it while Amazon is out of stock on these. because I think these could be a good come up. So it looks like these two are a similar situation where Amazon sells this one, but Amazon is in stock a little more often on these, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass. I need to check this one actually, and I'm gonna see if any of this other stuff is secret clearance. So it looks like she's pretty profitable, but unfortunately there's only one of her, and this box is a little beat up. But I did notice Skeletor back here is selling significantly faster than a lot of these other ones, and the lowest price right now is $18. So we're gonna be able to pretty much double our money here. We'll make $5 or $6 a unit on a $7 buy cost here. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those, see if we got any more Skeletors hiding from us. I don't see any back here, so that looks good to me. Whoops, causing an avalanche out here. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what else we can find. So these down here aren't really anything as far as profit goes. There is this guy, he's $7. He's going for about $27 on Amazon, but the sales rank is like 450,000, so I think I'm gonna leave him. It might be a mistake. Let me know what you would do if you do something different. I also noticed all these giant Kong toys down here. Don't remember when this was the craze. I just checked and they're basically break even now, so that's over. I guess it makes sense because that movie came out a little bit ago, but it's just funny to see them sitting on the shelves again. Looks like we got some clearance on these watches here. I checked it, but these are like a restricted product, and also they are selling for like $35, so it doesn't matter. Looks like these are those new Toby watches. I was noticing a lot of the old Toby watches were on clearance. I haven't seen any of the old Toby watches, but I guess this is what the new ones look like that replaced them. Just looking here, it looks like we've got a decent amount of clearance here. Let's see if we can pull anything out of here. I'll let you know if I find something good. We got a good amount more clearance over here. We've got this Mcstuffins Doll. This is a crazy good deal on this if you're just shopping. But after fees, it's $10, so I'd only be making like $3.50 or $4. So I'm gonna skip that one. I checked all these, and these are all like pretty close, but not quite. These guys are $2.50, and I'm gonna make about $2 on these. So I'll double my money on that. That's fine. They're easy to ship. They're small. That's why it's okay to do that. These phones right here, the Peppa Pig trap phone, is $5. But Amazon is on the listing for $15. So after fees, if you basically match Amazon's price, you make $3 on here. So I'm gonna personally pass just because I have a really full car already. But maybe in a different circumstance. And it looks like these Thomas and Friends, these were like $35. I picked these up for $9 at a different store today, and this is a crazy price for this. I picked this up for $11, but that's $9. This Amazon is on this listing. A lot of the stuff I'm seeing again, but it looks like we got more of this. So each one of these are $2. We're spending $2.50 on it. So maybe, you know, not the greatest return, but like you can just throw a ton of these in a box, throw a label on it, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab probably all of these, honestly, because those are just a pretty easy profit. But in this Paw Patrol stuff, I didn't really find a whole lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the clearance here. I'll probably check electronics and then the actual clearance aisle, and then we'll go from there. All right, so that's it. The final total on that order was about $210. I think it was $214. Profit on that one should be similar to 200, should be about 100% ROI. But yeah, I ended up driving all the way up to Missouri today. I did not plan on doing that. And I think me and my girlfriend will be going down to about an hour south of where I live tonight to hit 3 more Walmarts. Might as well strike while the iron's hot, you know. This is fun. Opportunities like this don't come very often. Things like into textbook season where you can buy a whole bunch of textbooks, and then good summer clearance. You gotta strike while you can. But the real fun part here will be trying to fit everything in my car, because my back seat and my trunk are already completely full of toys. As you can see in here, this thing is packed and my trunk is not fitting anything, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, pretty good stop to end it here. Might be hitting some more tonight, but that's it for this one. All right, so we're at a new Walmart, pretty far south of where I'm at. I picked up some of these LeBrons. These are $4. They're going for 16 or so. There should be a triple up after fees. And then I also picked up these guys. They're going for $8.69. They're 21 after fees, so I should make about $11, $12 on that. So we're just in the clearance aisle where there's a lot of toys. And something crazy, there's clearance Pokemon cards. Never seen that. It is those like builder decks, so it's not anything crazy, but it's just weird to see the Pokemon hype dying like that. But yeah, so we're gonna keep looking around here, see what we can find. Head to actual toy aisle next. So it looks like they've actually reset their Legos at this store. So there's not gonna be any clearance here. But we got this little stuff down here. I picked up this off camera as well. This is about an $8 profit on $11 spend, so not too bad. Amazon is on that listing, but pretty high in price, so I'm not too concerned about it. But looking at a decent little haul here, probably $60, $70 profit. But we got 3 more Walmarts down here, and then we'll head back home. So let's get to it. So that's actually where 12 hours of sourcing in one day, me from the past decided to stop making content that day. So that's going to be it for this series of Walmart clearance sourcing. If you guys like this type of RA video, let me know with some comments and stuff, and I'll try my best to make more videos like this in the future. They just take a little more effort, and honestly, I don't love having to drive around to do RA. I'm kind of lazy in that regard. But if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff is going to help me out with the algorithm. And if you also want to join our free Amazon seller Discord, that's going to be down below. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.